How do we use the Geogebra app to do the converse of Pythagoras theorem? Here we have a triangle STU and information on its length. Determine if the triangle is a right angle triangle. Drag the correct answers to the boxes in yellow, blue or pink. If ST is the longest side of the triangle, then the square of the longest side is 64. Now the blue box is for you to drag the sum of squares of the remaining two sides. Let's compare the two values. Since the sum of squares of the remaining two sides is not equal to the square of the longest side, a second click on the expression will show that they are not equal. Right, then let's conclude that by the converse of Pythagoras theorem, the triangle is not a right angle triangle. Check. Yes, you've got the answer correct. Now suppose you had chosen the wrong conclusion, then there will have been a feedback that the answer was wrong when you check the answers. But you will get the correct answer feedback. Okay, now let's put the correct answer back again. And when you click check the answers, you should get a prompt for a new question. Click on the new question and you will get a new triangle generated, triangle MML. Again, the information is given and you find that ML is the longest side, so the square of ML is 2809 units. What about the square of the sum of squares of the remaining two sides? Since the remaining sum of squares of the remaining two sides is equal to the square of the longer side, then you realize that you will think that the triangle is right angle, and you are asked to state which angle is right angle. Make the right conclusions, drag the correct answers, right? Determine which is the angle that is the right angle. And don't forget to fill in the area of the triangle. Click on check the answer.